Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, I'm Honor. It's just, yeah. So today, this video is gonna basically be, y'all seen the title already, but like, I'm gonna be trying to follow a tutorial. I'm not gonna do all the other stuff. I'm just probably gonna follow the eye makeup tutorial because blending, not my strong suit. So, I'm gonna wash my face, brush my teeth and stuff, and then I'm gonna come back after. All I know how to do is concealer, to be honest. And yeah, I had blushed, but somebody stole it. So yeah, I don't know how to contour. Maybe that's, if y'all want to see me try that, I'm gonna have to build my confidence for that. But I'll try that in a different video. But yeah, so I'm gonna try eye makeup today. So I'll be back after I do all that stuff I just said I was gonna do. Cause look at that, unacceptable. Let's go. Oh, and I'm gonna link the video I'm following, but that's the video I'm trying to follow. And yeah, let's get into it. Okay, you guys, I'm using this palette. If you know, you know. If you don't, it's fine. But she said I need to conceal my eyelids. I did prime them already and stuff. So yeah, I think I might do just like an oranger. Like I might do like this brown instead of like this brown like she uses. I know the camera's in the way right now, but like I gotta let y'all know. So I can't find my brushes right now. So we have these. Dang, come on, man, you're messing up stuff. I have these 4 brushes to work with. This might end up trash because I don't know how I gotta use this to blend. Yeah, no. Let's get back to the front camera. Okay, y'all back up close and personal. Okay, she said use a cream concealer. I don't have that, so back to the concealer we use to do everything.
And I like using this concealer instead. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use a flat brush like this. It's ideal for applying the concealer on your eyelids, and it's ideal for cleaning up your eyebrows. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to lightly dip into this concealer, use it to cover my eyebrows. A small amount.
So I started
because it gives you better control of applying and blending the eyeshadow. And this just kind of gives you a softer and smoother blend. So you want to start on the outer V portion of your eyes and bring it in towards the inner portion. And you want to only focus on the crease area because we're going to place an eyelid shade. So if your eyelids crease in, you have a really deep crease. What you want to do is you want to raise your eyebrows so that you can get that eyeshadow on your crease area. So you just want to go back and forth.
I think that looks like the same. Okay, next step. Lady help.
Onto the next shade. So every time you're applying a different shade, you want to make sure that you're using a clean brush. You don't want to double dip on 2 different eyeshadows with the same. That I'm going to pick up is going to be darker than this eyeshadow shade. So I'm going to pick up this shade called Edgy, and this is just like a deep brown shade. I'm going to place this shade right on my crease area.
She said get a different brush. I'm gonna just clean mine off with my hand because I'm working with a little bit to nothing. Okay, so now I'm gonna go with this color right there because that's a little bit darker than that, right? She said a little bit darker. I'm gonna tap that. Okay, tap the excess, and then she said just right into the crease. Windshield wiper motion. Listen, I can follow instructions. Okay, other than her telling me what brushes to use, because I'm not that prepared. Oh, this look good. Okay, wait a second. It looks like I know how to make it. Okay. Let's not do too much, because this, I could ruin it. I could still a chance that I could ruin it. Is it giving I'm a makeup artist now? No, this shit looks trash. It just looks trash. Lashes is gonna make everything better. Okay, let's see what the next step is. Actually, I look cute.
Use a flat brush that's bigger than this, but this would be really nice to pick up shimmer or metallic eyeshadow shades. Tab, I'm gonna place this shadow on my eyelid area, and what I'm doing is I'm literally just placing it on there. I'm not going back and forth like this, trying to blend it out. You don't want to go back and forth because it will move the other eyeshadows you place on there. And what you want to do is you want to go right where your crease is, so around this part right here. Make sure you cover up your whole eyelid.
Okay, this is not working that well for this. Actually, yes it is. Let me stop. It's doing something. Oh, I wasn't supposed to go that far out. It's okay. I'ma fix it. Yeah, that should not cute. Oh wait, I did something now. Okay, I think I'm gonna go back in with a little bit of dark brown that I had, cause I went a little too far with that one. You know, I don't really know if this is what I'm supposed to be doing, but like, it's what I'm doing. This is how my shit the fuck. She got me this far. Okay, this is what it's looking like. This shit look kind of trash, bruh. Did this look trash? Be honest. I'm not liking it. But I think I want to like, I'm gonna see what else she said before I do this. But the first shade I did, I think I kind of want to drag it down underneath there on both sides. And I think that would make it, I don't know. But that's what I'm gonna do. But let me see what else she say before I get to jumping ahead.
Of your eye, you want to use an eyeshadow shade that is lighter than your lid shade. So if you put a shimmer shade on your eyelid, you want a shimmer shade on your inner portion to be lighter than your eyelid shade. I feel like that gives your eyeshadow a little pop, a little spark. So for the inner portion of my eye, I'm gonna pick up this shade right here called Classic, which is like a super bright, practically white eyeshadow shade. And you definitely want to use a brush that is small enough to get over here. So a really good brush for shimmer eyeshadow is this type of brush. This is the more do a matte eyeshadow look. You want your inner portion shade to go on with a flat brush. So using this brush, I'm just gonna place this right on the inner portion.
So I'm gonna go back with the other one I just had and kind of just... Okay, so now I am going to drag it down. I think that's the end of her tutorial. I don't know. I'm done with it. I look ashy. I don't look like that though in person, but on camera I'm looking ashy. But basically, I'm gonna just, this is not what she told me to do. So if I ruin it, that's on me. Okay. Bam, I think that's the look. I'm gonna add lashes and mascara, and I think, oh, and my moles. And then that's it. Look, this is what it looks like in my lighting. This is what I see. Ooh. Okay, that looks pretty good. I'm not even gonna lie. Could probably blend it out a little bit more on the top. But it's giving, okay? That camera just looks better, so. Yeah. Okay, this is the final look. I should have done my hair before I got on here, but that's cool. Y'all came here for the makeup anyways. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and then let me know what else I should try. I think I did pretty good. I've done my makeup before. I'm just not I just don't, because I'm not good at it. That was stressful, and I did a simple, according to her, beginner friendly look. But yeah, now I'm about to go take pictures. So I don't know what video I'm posting. I think this video is going up first. So yeah, if not, check out the video right there of my fall photo shoot. Okay, bye, love you guys.